Hey Fred, this is William. I just wanted to show you the dilemma that I'm having here. We have going across this, we have 12.56, 13.56, excuse me. And then up front here, it says, here we go, 14.1. Well, it's still on absorption. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send a bunch of pictures and show that it gets stuck in absorption for some reason. Then we also have right here, the first cell readings are 3.35, 3.36. It's going to be 3.35, 3.36 as well. This is 3.34. Then we have 3.34. And then we have here a high cell. That's 3.66. So this is charging immaturely. The BMS is cutting off, I believe the BMS is cutting off the charger, and we're not getting the full charge that we should be getting. Once again, this is a 3.34, excuse me. Okay, very good. Thanks.